Welcome to Voromotors. Today we'll be showing you how to replace your motor hook spacer on the EMOVE RoadRunner Pro. To complete this task, all you'll need is a 24mm socket wrench. Begin by removing the 24mm nuts one side at a time. Remove the nut, washer, and hook spacer from the motor axle. Now take your new, reinforced hook spacer and place it on the motor axle. Make sure that the hook is correctly inserted in the indent. If it doesn't fall in place, use your knee to push up the tire to create enough room for the hook spacer. Place the washer on next and hand tighten the nut. Now we can move on to the other side and repeat the process. Remove the 24mm nut along with the original washer and hook spacer. Place the new hook spacer on, followed by the washer, and then hand tighten the nut. Now with your 24mm wrench, go ahead and tighten the nuts on both sides. The front wheel is the priority, so now that that's complete, you can go ahead and repeat this process on the rear wheel if you so desire. And that's it! You've successfully replaced the motor hook spacers on your RoadRunner Pro. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact our customer support team at voromotors.com. Have any tutorials you'd like to see? Make sure to leave them in the comment section below. Until then, safe riding.